Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a quickie. This is a monitor, a computer monitor, an old monitor. It's not very fancy or anything. And I've been using it to watch TV. I connected it to my cable box. And trouble is, most computer monitors have some built-in speakers that are not very good. Here's the speaker. It does actually have two speakers, but as you can see, they're firing straight down. When I turn it up the other way, whoops, sorry, a little out of focus there. So when I put it that way, they're firing great down there, right down there. So the sound doesn't really go where I need it, which would be out front. So I came up with an idea. I'm going to fabricate some directional pieces. I don't want something that's going to absorb the sound. I just want something that might turn it 90 degrees. So I'm going to make these little plastic pieces. I'm going to attach them with double stick tape, and I'm going to try it out. You're going to have to take my word for it, whether it sounds better or not. But I'll show you when I get done. I ended up using pliers to get the sticky, the protective piece on the tape started, because it was just hard to do it with my fingernails, but maybe your fingernails are better than mine. Anyway, this is the second one. The first one I've got on there, and I'll bring it back to my office where I watch this TV and show you what I ended up with. Well, there you go. The focus does not seem to be working very well when you try to take a video of a TV screen. I don't know why. I tried a bunch of different settings on focus, but anyway, the sound is like really almost 100% better. I don't have to put it up as loud, and usually I'm standing, I'm sitting right in front of the screen and the speakers, or I've got my back to it, but it's an improvement. It's not beautiful, but it's not ugly either. It's just a couple of pieces of translucent plastic underneath there, and when I need to meet somebody in my office, I close that anyway. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Here's a little close up. Be safe, have fun. Whoops, I lost it.
Your kitchen. It was halftime.
Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye.